Hello everyone! Today we're introducing 3 steps of download videos and photos to microSD card. Step 1. Have a right card and turn on. You may consider to buy a Class 10 microSD card which is now greater than 120 GB in storage, then formatting it in FAT32 or exFAT. Insert the card before turn on the remote controller. You can press and hold the power button to power on. Step 2. After hardware connection has been complete, you can press and turn on the depth holding. Thus, V6 will not trigger the beeping after 10 minutes. Use your cell phone connected with the remote controller's Wi-Fi, then open the FromV6 app. In the home page, wait a few seconds until you can see the connected has shown on the right bottom. Step 3. Select and download. Press the median on the top, then press Device. You can preview the picture and videos. Press and hold on either one of the preview pictures to start your selections. After the selection, just press the star, then press Download to remote control. The FromV6 app will download your selection to the microSD card. The video download procedure will be the same. Thank you for watching. See you next time.